This is the emergency alert system, requested by the faculty of the Pinewood builders. It is said that the central core of the Pinewood protocol is overheating. The seismic activity is meant to cause high winds. For strange reasons, there is no earthquake. Do not panic. The high wind is not strong enough to push even small buildings. However, it's strong enough to push people. You won't be picked up, but just pushed. Please stay tuned for any additional messages. Normal programming may continue.
This is an emergency action notification. This message is sent as a request of the Pinewood Builders team. The reactor core is in a meltdown. Power outages may occur. Please stay calm. Currently, the core temperature is still optimal enough to attempt to cool it down. First, prepare for power outages. Second, supply yourself with food and water and evacuate to shelter. Do not attempt to fix any power grids, even if you're a professional. You may get shocked. Please stay tuned for any additional messages. Please stay tuned for any additional messages. Normal programming may continue. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. I finally repeat, this is not a drill, nor a test. This message was requested by the Pinewood Builders team. This is a serious message. Attempts to stabilize the core has failed. Please stay calm. Just take shelter. Warning. Warning. Core meltdown is imminent. Please evacuate to safety this instant. This is not a test, or a drill. Reactor core is melting down. This is very serious. It is estimated for the core to self-destruct in 8 minutes. Evacuate to shelter immediately.
Reactor explosion in 4 minutes.
Civil danger warning. Civil danger warning. Self-destruct timer is now 4 minutes. Evacuate to shelter immediately.
Warning, power outage has occurred. Reserve power is activated to keep the program on.
Reactor explosion uncertainty emergency preemption protocol initiated. This facility will self-destruct in 2 minutes.
This is an emergency action termination. A brave soldier has activated the emergency coolant of the Pinewood Builders. The self-destruct sequence has been aborted. You may exit your shelters. This is an emergency. It is civil danger warning. The emergency coolant has failed as there is not enough coolant to cool the core. This is not a drill. Self-destruct sequence has been activated. Evacuate immediately. is no more time.
This is an emergency action termination. The nuclear explosion has finished. The explosion has killed 2 million people, while 1 million people got seriously injured, but didn't die. When you exit your shelter, be aware of pyroclastic gases and radiation. It's recommended to stay in your shelters until the Pinewood security members arrive and safely escort you. It is said that the computer core will be rebuilt. The government thanks you for your cooperation. Everything is back to normal. Message will cut off.